The new Preston Tram bridge replaces the previous bridge that was declared unsafe in 2019 and demolished last year. The bridge links Avenham Park in Preston City to Penwortham in South Ribble. All 4 bridge sections have now been delivered on site, as well as most parts of the lifting crane. The crane will be assembled on site and will stand at a height of 75 meters, that is 246 feet. Sections of the bridge, built by Eric Wright Civil Engineering, will be lifted by crane into position in the next days. The bridge weighs 150 tons in total and has been constructed in East Lancashire. Work will then take place to redig the crane, which will take place over the following week. The bridge is expected to be completed and open by spring 2026.